Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Katara from Avatar The Last Airbender. So let's get started. To draw this cute waterbender, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here, start with a curve, and come right across, about right here. And do the same thing. So let's come to center, make it a little bit sharper. Right here and go up. There, so now that we have a bottom of a U in, let's come back to where we started and we're going to draw a circle on the edge for her eyes. And same thing on the other side, about right here. And now that the circle's in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And same, lines at the bottom. Oh my goodness. And same thing over here. Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and just add some lashes. And same thing over here. And let's come up and we're going to draw her brow. So come up and just going to draw a curve right over her eye. And thicken it up. And same thing over here. And then let's give her a sweet smile, so about right here. Go ahead and draw a curve, it comes up, and cap it off. Now that we have this in, let's go ahead and draw the top of her face. So I'm just going to imagine an oval, and so say about right here is where I would draw her hairline. I'm just going to go up a little bit more. Say about right here, I'll just give myself a point, and it's because right in the center I'm going to come down 2 angles where her hair parts, and then I'm going to draw a curve that comes down. So same thing here. Comes down right over her eyes, and then right in this area right here, I'm going to stop and draw a curve to connect. So same thing over here. Just draw a curve to connect right back. Then from there, let's go up. And go up with a line, so say about right here. I'm going to give myself a point and go up on both sides. So then let's come back down here. I almost forgot. Let's draw her ears. So right here I'm going to pop out her ear, come in here with some detail, and same thing over here. Then from there, let's come back up here. I'm just going to draw this curve that comes down and tuck it right into the ear area. Down and tuck it in. So now that we finally have all this in, we need to draw the 2 main strands of hair. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to draw this curve that comes right here and connect. So I'm going to pop this out right here. So if you're using a pencil, this would definitely be a lot easier. And now I'm going to draw this curve. So I'm going to have to come in here and erase. But I wanted to show you all the elements first before I put this in. So then I'm going to try to bring this around her eye so that I don't have to erase her eye at all. And I'll just bring this in and tuck it right back here. So stick in this strand. And in. So same thing over here. Pop this out. And once again, I'm going to try to avoid her eyes. Go around her eye. and come down and in. There. Okay, so then now I'm going to come in here with my whiteout pen and wipe everything that it's gone through out. There, so hopefully made that a little bit easier to help you draw that. And we have her, oh, and one more thing I almost forgot, right here. Since we did pop this out into her hair. There, so we're done with that part, and then now let's go ahead and draw her body. So let's come to the center, right underneath her chin, give her a little neck, and I'm going to bring it out with a curve and for her shoulders. So same thing here, her right out for her shoulders. Then let's find her armpit area, so say about right here and here, and I'm going to draw 2 angle lines out. From there, let's come back and we're going to draw a curve about right here and here. That's her neckline. And let's bring this down a little bit more. And about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect for her top. Then let's draw this detail on her top. I'm going to bring a curve all the way down to this corner. And thicken it up. And same thing on this side, right there. And she has this necklace right here, so I'm going to come right here in the center and draw this oval shape and connect it with a band right on her neck. There. Okay, so then now let's continue this down. I'm just going to bring this out a little bit more. And I'll connect once again. And then now to draw her outfit, which has this kind of apron shape, apron thing that's covering her legs. So let's bring this down. And I'm going to curve it in. So let's keep going. And about right there, I'll flare it out a little bit. And here as well. So it's almost like her dress, right? And then we're going to connect it with a wobble all the way across. And the wobble is lower towards the center. Let's go ahead and thicken up this wobble all the way across. And then we're going to draw her legs, which are standing apart. And so let's continue this about right here. And here. For one leg right here, and then I'm going to stop, cut it off. I'm going to give this little furry part right here on her shoes, connect, and then continue. So curve right there, and curve and connect. And then for some details right here, curve it, and then come in. So same thing on the other side. So right here. And about right here. And just to make sure I'm at the same level. So about right here, we're going to go ahead and draw her shoe. So just wobble this furry part right here and connect. And then once again, let's draw, curve, and connect right here, outwards and down. And just like the other side, we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. And then some details, come right here and curve it up. there. So now that we have that part in, we can go ahead and draw her arms. So let's bring this out. We're going to flare it out for her sleeve. Tuck it in. And let's work on this side first. I'm going to come right here, and her elbows are going to bend about right here in this area. So I'm going to come out and draw this poofy part on her outfit. So it's a little bit thicker, and then I'm going to cut it off right there. So I'm still imagining her hands are right here and it's bending. So let's continue. Coming down. Bring this down. And about right here, I'll cut it off once again. And then her hands are in the fist. So curve and curve. Down. And connect. Then right here, you can draw a little curve right there. And you can come in here with some curves right there to make it look poofy. And draw a curve right there as well. So same thing on the other side. Right there. Connect. And then once again, this poofy part right here. Oops. Connect, and then once again bring the arms down. And connect once again, and then come out here, curve and a curve, and connect for her hands. Right there. And once again, 2 little curves right there. And here to finish off her sleeve. And for some details, you can draw some crease lines right here if you like on her apron. And let's see, oh, and the rest of her hair. So she has a braid, so I'm going to tuck it right here. It's going to pop out right over her shoulders. So let's come right here, and I'm just going to wobble a bunch of curves all the way down. So it's a little bit thicker, and then it's going to get thinner as we come over here and connect. And then the end. Just draw a little curve and some details. It's so small. Well, I'm just going to put in little curves right there to make it more like a braid. And let's see, am I missing anything? I think that's pretty much it for Katara here from Avatar The Last Airbender. I really hope you love how she turned out and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.